take the train and enjoy traveling at 55 miles per hour. Make the most of your journey. Rediscover train travel.
This program was made possible by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
On the road, far from home, but you don't have to feel alone. Brave and strong, together we will be. It's our destiny. We will be heroes. We can change the world if we try. I go where you go. Forever friends, you and I. We will be heroes. Battle Dimension Pokemon.
I have no idea what the fuck happened here. But let's just start the damn episode already because I don't have all day. It was a bright day on the railway, and Thomas, Percy, and James are pulling a heavy load to haul to the Blue Mountain Quarry.
Stay sharp, boys. Keep your brakes ready. This hill is a bit steep.
We're coming along, Thomas. This quarry will be rock solid.
I am the fastest on this line, so let's make it glitter.
But there was trouble ahead. Not one, not two, but three troublemakers were standing on the tracks.
Cinders and ashes. Pull the brakes. There are 3 girls on the line. What the fuck? Emily Frog Girl. Inkling Girl. Julie? What the fuck are you 3 doing on the tracks?
It's actually just Fraud Girl, because there's already an Emily in that stupid rescue team you, Percy and James are a part of.
As for why we're here, we are going to fight you for being angry with us.
Really? Are you for real? This is what it's about.
And you 3 do the same damn shit yourselves. Not to mention, you, Inkling Girl, assaulted Dave back in Season 9 in 2024.
You, Frog Girl, are a fraud, which is why you have that name.
And you, Julie, are always being mean to Alan and treating him like a punching bag. If any of you rage over past bringing, that will make even less sense considering you all do it yourselves.
Shut up, Green Pancake. ECNO akakuf, Sile a akakuf. There's unfucking Niruti back.
We can torment people whenever we fucking want. AFC is not a fucking kid show and it never will be. Now either accept that or rust in the scrapyard. Blue waffle, green pancake, and red eggs and ham.
You fucking troublesome trucks. How dare you say such nasty words to us? That's it, I'm gonna zap all 3 of you.
You waffles and pancakes will not fucking get away.
Get back here, you wobbly wheels.
But the 3 engines had already stormed off.
These damn Zets can never give anyone a break. Especially that one who assaulted Dave over something so damn stupid.
Every goddamn day, there's always someone who wants to cause trouble and make a damn mess.
They should be glad that leader of the rescue team himself, Ayden, wasn't there, because he's busy. Otherwise, they would be in bigger trouble than before.
Thomas and Percy, pull that load. Got to work harder, move that freight. Got to go faster, can't be late. Here we come up the hill.
the sheds!
So, how did it go?
Well, it was going so well at first, no pun intended.
Until 3 particular girls showed up and started giving us hard time.
These girls are Emily Fraud Girl, who now just goes by Fraud Girl, from Season 13, Inkling Girl, from Season 9, and Julie, the mother of quote, childish teen, unquote.
Really? Them?
Oh, come the fuck on. If it's not Catherine, or Fiona, or Jocelyn doing this shit, it's either one of them.
Can we ever catch a break from trouble on the railway or some shit?
And with that, all the engines fell asleep. But little did they know that the 3 girls would still be up to trouble at night. But then, there was trouble.
Good morning everyone, time to get up, we've got work to do. Oh shit, I'm slipping. Help, everyone. Okay, who the fuck did this? Whoever did this will regret it.
Later, Percy was pulling the mail train. He was delivering packages to Amazon. What the hell, Fraud Girl? Why did you do that for? Then there was trouble. James was coming from the other side of the track.
Oh fuck. Percy is coming the opposite way.
Shit. It's James. Okay, who was the asshole who sent both of us on the same line almost colliding?
You can say that again, Green Pancake.
What the fuck? Seriously? You're still upset for no damn reason?
Fuck off, red blood. Your PASTDESERVES to BBROEGHTUP, and we said that this was never gonna be a damn kids show ever. We can be mean to you disgraceful trains whenever we want because this
Absolutely not, you 3. Don't you fucking dare say that to us. That is very fucking mean and cruel behavior. That does it. We are sending you to the island where all the villains go to.
How about I yell out the word "you're irredeemable" so that your window can
Wheel turn by wheel turn, Thomas pushed the coach with the 3 girls in it. He was gonna send them to Villain Island.
Oh shit, we're going down the hill.
Well, that's one way to get rid of them.
I just hope S3 don't return for stupid revenge, or we'll go mega. We've definitely outsmart ourselves this time, didn't we?
We sure did, Thomas. It took us through trial and error to do this.
And now, it's time to go back to Tidmouth Sheds. and hopefully we'll have a better day tomorrow.
And with that, this is the end of our story, and it's time for the engines to go home.
You won't fucking get away with this. You goddamn it.
Don't you dare say that live, you shit! You shouldn't even be here.